Hello everybody! I made this short video to brag about my recent find. A week ago I came across this drill press on a garage sale. $50 Canadian. About 36 US dollars. To buy a new one you must spend about 20 times as much. But was it worth $50? After all, it is a used item. 5 feet 3 inches high. 16-speed drill. No reverse. It looks hardly used. The only problem is rusty base. Well, it is more cosmetic than a problem. Sandblasting and painting will do. It goes spinny. The motor seems to be fine. But since I don't want to play with belts, I will install this DC motor. The original is 3/4 horsepower. Replacement motor, pulled out of treadmill, is only 3 horsepower. There are plenty of treadmills on the side of the road. People get tired of walking or running to nowhere, so they ditch them. Good for me. I will add a speed regulator, AC to DC rectifier, an RPM gauge, and direction switch. To see this project in making, subscribe to my channel. This was my old drill press. Canadian Tire brand with wobbly chuck. Time to say goodbye to this one. And must find a space for this monster now. Till next time.